Hello, lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. Today we are doing Unit 3, which is Nurturing Nature, and we'll be starting with spices that heal us. Do you know that in India we generally do not get ill very easily? Is why? Because all the medications, all the medicines are there in our kitchen. हमारे मसाले. So these spices that Indians use, it makes our immunity system, which is हमारी बीमार होने की जो capacity है होती है उसको कम करता है. So our spices are actually our medicines. In Ayurveda, if you see, people never used to have these allopathy medicines or homeopathy medicines, but because we had all the medicines in our kitchen, and our dadi, nani, mother, father, our grandparents, our parents, they know about all the home remedies to do. I am sure अगर if you have cold and cough तो जल्दी से कोई आपको दवाई नहीं देता, आपको काढ़ा दिया जाता है, right? So in Indian houses we do that, right? So in this chapter today we'll be understanding about the spices, different spices. ठीक है? This chapter is basically a letter which is written by a grandma to her grandchildren, right? So we are going to read that letter, and on the basis of that we'll try to understand about the different spices. Before that, let's start with it. Let's do these activities before we read the chapter. A spice is any seed. अब spice का मतलब सिर्फ मसाला नहीं होता, ठीक है? वो मसाला कहाँ से आया? मसाला could be from anywhere, right? Seed, fruit, root, bark, leaf, or any part of the plant. Fine. Used to give taste and color to our food. ऐसी कोई चीज जो हमारे फूड को टेस्ट और कलर दे रही है. Whether it is coming from the seed, from the bark, from the roots, from the leaves, right? Try to recall the names of 3 spices that are used for cooking in your home. Write them below and share your answer with the teacher. I'm sure you all can write. बहुत जनरल स्पाइसेस जो हमारे घर में यूज होते हैं. आई एम श्योर आपकी सब्जियों में, इन योर वेजिटेबल्स, आई एम श्योर योर मदर पुट द चिली पाउडर, right? She puts those haldi powder, like she puts the haldi powder, she puts the coriander powder, है ना, डालती है. ऐसे you can write the name of any 3 spices that we generally use in our houses. Coriander, dhania, cardamom, elaichi, turmeric yani haldi. Okay, moving on. Give them below are the pictures of some spices. Work in pairs and write what do you call them in your language. Their names in English are given in the last column. Up. These are the spices. These are the names of those spices given in English. But in your language, what do you call them? Now, in your language, the names could be different. Now, I know Hindi, so I know about the Hindi names. Hindi names, let's see. This is turmeric. Turmeric is haldi. This is fenugreek. Fenugreek is methi dana. Then this is cumin seeds. Cumin seeds is jeera. Okay. Next is asafoetida. Asafoetida, which is hing. Cinnamon, yani dalchini. Clove, yani long. Ginger, adrak. Black pepper, kali mirch. Fennel seeds, saunf. And cardamom, elaichi, right? So these are the names that we call them by in Hindi. In this column, you can write any other name in your language if you call it something different. Okay? Like these are the names which are in Hindi, which I have written because I know Hindi. Right? Okay. Moving on. Do you know if these spices can be used for something else other than cooking? Let us find out by reading the letter given below. Now, this is the letter which we are going to read, and let's find out, are we using spices only to give color and taste to the food, or we can use these spices for many other things? Okay? So, when we'll read this letter, we are going to find that out. Dear Vikram and Vaibhavi. So, this letter is written to whom? These are the two, Vikram and Vaibhavi. Namaste. I just got your message that you are better now. I am happy that the natural cures का मतलब normal तरीके से किए गए इलाज that I had shared helped you. You should try to remember these cures and may share them with your friends. When I was a child, I learned them from my grandmother. ठीक है? She used to find home remedies for most of the weather related common illness. Generally जो weather related illness होती है, cold, cough, sneezing, etc. इनकी home remedies we have. We do not need to go to a doctor for that, right? Until it is obviously is not in our hands anymore and we have to go. That's a separate thing. But we try to find out these remedies at home only. And हमारी किसी grandmother ने हमारी grandmother को बताया, फिर हमारी grandmother ने हमारी mother को बताया. And that's how we are getting to know about these home remedies. Let me share some of the benefits of the spices that most of us have in our kitchen. Now let's see. Let me start with the haldi, which is called turmeric in English. It helps in improving our energy level and digestion. It helps in reducing body pain too. आपने कभी notice किया होगा, sometimes you are you're going to the market, you going on a bicycle and suddenly you fell down. अब चोट लग गई. As soon as you go home, what the first thing mothers do is हल्दी वाला दूध पी लो. Is why? Because it reduces the pain, it builds your immunity system ताकि वो जो घाव हुआ है उसके ऊपर इन बैक्टीरियाज अटैक ना करे, वायरसेस अटैक ना करे, और आपकी बॉडी पे अगर वो अटैक करे, सो हल्दी इज मेकिंग दैट सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग. Next, let us take methi, which is called fenugreek in English. You will be surprised to know that it helps me in keeping my sugar level and body weight in control. Drinking methi dana water every day in the morning is a great help for digestion. Okay? Okay, and to keep your sugar levels good. I need to soak the methi dana overnight and drink the water in the morning. Okay, next is jeera, which is cumin seeds. Soaked in water overnight can also improve digestion and help cure sleeplessness. नींद नहीं आती तो आने लग जाएगी, डाइजेशन खराब है तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. You know when you were babies and had gas in your tummy. gas मतलब bloating हो जाता है, गैस भर जाती है. I used to put hing, which is asafoetida. What do we call it? Asafoetida. She's saying that I used to put asafoetida in your tummy. ठीक है, asafoetida water on your tummy to give some relief. हींग कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प इन कंट्रोलिंग कफ एंड कोल्ड. हींग से भी कोल्ड एंड कफ कंट्रोल होता है. उसी हींग को हम अगर पेट पे उसका पानी डालेंगे तो इट कैन हेल्प यू रिड्यूस ब्लोटिंग और गैस. दालचीनी एंड लौंग, which is cinnamon and clove, give relief when we have toothache till we can consult a डेंटिस्ट. हम आपने देखा होगा तो टूथपेस्ट में आजकल क्लोव आ रहा है. इज वाई? बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू कीप योर टीथ स्ट्रॉन्ग, रिड्यूसेस पेन एंड इट गिव्स यू दैट एनर्जी टू गो टू द डॉक्टर, and till then it keeps that pain relaxed. Adrak, which is ginger, is another herb that can help when we have cough and cold. It also gives relief from pain. Do you know ginger has been used for cooking for more than 4,000 years. Even today it is extensively used in cooking Indian food. Indian food में जब gravy वाला खाना बनता है ना, mama puts adrak in it. Every day we are drinking adrak wali chai, right? So adrak is being used for almost 4,000 years in Indian cooking now. It's an integral part of our cooking. Okay. Next is kali mirch, which is black pepper, is also helpful in digestion and can give us relief from body pain. Next, you may have seen that the end of the meal, हमने कभी कभी आपने रेस्टोरेंट भी देखा होगा, घर में भी कईयों की हैबिट होती है, as soon as you're done eating with your meal, what do you have? You have सौंफ. सौंफ खाते हम, which is also called फेनल सीड्स. और कई लोग अजवाइन भी खाते हैं. जैसे आज बहुत हैवी खाना खा लिया, फॉर एग्जांपल छोले भटूरे खा लिए, ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ, छोले भटूरे खा लिए, पता पड़ गया बहुत सारा तो खा लिया, अब पेट खराब होने वाला रात को. सो व्हाट डू वी डू? हम सोने से पहले वी टेक अजवाइन विद वार्म वाटर, राइट. इट इज बिकॉज दे हेल्प इन डाइजेशन ऑफ द फूड, क्योंकि दे हेल्प इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड. दैट इज वाई वी have them after our heavy meals. Okay. Next, elaichi also help us with the digestion and respiratory troubles in addition to curing bad breath. We always think कि हम ये चीजें अपने खाने में डाल रहे हैं to enhance their taste. Yes, it enhances the taste. हाँ, खाने का taste बहुत अच्छा होता है. But also there are many other reasons that why we started putting these things in our food. क्योंकि खाने के बहाने हम उनको खा भी लेते हैं and our body also stays healthy, right? Now, go into the kitchen and try to identify these herbs and spices, and remember, you must consult an elder before you use them. बेटा ऐसे नहीं होता. When we use home remedies, we need to make sure that we know how to use them. इसलिए don't try to just do experimenting on yourself with whatever is Kritika ma'am teaching is, let's do it. No, you always should do this in the guide, under the guidance of your elder, your grandmother, your grandparents, your parents, or any elder who knows about these remedies properly and how to use them. My love and Ashirwad to both of you. Yours affectionately, Dadi. So this letter was written to Vikram and Vaibhavi by their Dadi. In fact, Dadi got to know all these secrets from her Dadi. Okay? And now she's passing on those remedies to her grandkids. Okay? Moving on. Next, we have, let's read the given lines and answer the following questions. When I was a child, I learned them from my grandmother. She used to find cures for almost all the weather related common illness in the kitchen. Where exactly in the kitchen did grandmother find the cures? Kitchen में कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? In मसाले का डिब्बा, right? Let's see. In the kitchen, she found cures in the spice box. जो spices का box होता है, almost all your cures are in there, right? Okay, give one example of the weather related common illness. Cold, cough, sneeze, right? So, cold and cough, जो weather related illness होती. Next, what kind of relationship did the speaker have with her grandmother? Beta, if a grandmother is writing letters to you to tell about the home remedies, she's asking about your well-being. She's passing all the legacy जो उन्होंने अपने grandmother से सीखा था. She's passing on that to you. She's asking you to share that with your friends. That means you have a very close connection with your grandmother, right? So grandmother was affectionate toward her grandchildren. बहुत प्यार करती थी उनसे, बहुत अफेक्शन था, बहुत प्यार था. She loved her grandkids. Next, fill in the blank to complete the sentence. Dadi soaked methi dana overnight or methi seeds overnight and drank the water in the morning to manage what? She used to manage her blood sugar levels and body weight. ठीक है. Next, circle the spice that is not useful for body pain according to Dadi's letter. दादी के लेटर के accordingly, which spice is not used for body pain? देखो, turmeric body pain के लिए यूज होता था, yes. Ginger होता था, yes. Fennel seeds, no. Black pepper, yes. Fennel seeds को हम किस लिए यूज में ले रहे थे? Mostly digestion के लिए. Remember? So fennel seed is useful but for digestion, not for body pain. ठीक है. Next. Why did Dadi ask Vikram and Vaibhavi to share the natural cures with their friends? Is why? Because knowledge बढ़ती है बांटने से, right? So it's not always necessary कि मुझे कुछ पता है तो वो मेरे पास ही रहे. You should always share it with more people, right? Dadi asked Vikram and Vaibhavi to share the natural cures with their friends so that this precious legacy can be passed on to upcoming generation. So that whatever she has learned from her grandmother can be passed on to the another generation, the coming up generation. And coming up generation is not her grandchildren, right? All the friends of her grandchildren as well, right? So that's why she asked them to pass that legacy. Legacy का मतलब जो आपको अपने पूर्वजों से मिली है वो आप आगे पास कर रहे हो. This is called legacy. ठीक है. What was Dadi's final advice to Vikram and Vaibhavi? At the end, she clearly mentioned that these home remedies are very good, but you need to make sure that you use them under the guidance of an adult or somebody who is very much known, or somebody who is very knowledgeable about these things. She advised that, remember, you must consult an elder before you use the remedies and the spices for the cures. Got it? How do we know that natural cures are passed from one generation to another? She clearly said that I got it from my grandmother. Now she's passing on to her grandchildren and asking to share as well. So it is obviously clearly mentioned that her grandmother also probably got it from her parents or her grandmother. So that's how from generation to generation it's been passed on. In the letter, Dadi says that she got the remedies for her grandmother and now she's passing on to her grandchild. So it is clear by that. Clear? Okay. Next, why do you think we should know about the healing properties of the spices? Why should we know about the healing properties of the spices? Don't you think it's just easy that I've started coughing or having cold? I just go to the doctor, eat a tablet and come back. Bache, remember one thing, when you eat a tablet, it cures one thing, but it is affecting your body in a negative way, right? So we need to try to make sure that try to use the home remedies as much as possible. Try to avoid going to a doctor. Obviously, you just can't avoid going to a doctor in the major scenarios as well, or main major illness as well, but choti choti cheeze can be cured at home only. It not only cures your current situation, but only also boost your energy, your digestion, your immunity system, and a lot more thing. Okay, so knowing the healing properties का मतलब ठीक कैसे हुआ जा सकता है. Of spices help us to use them for natural health benefits. Spices like turmeric, ginger, they boost immunity, aid digestion को ठीक करता है, and prevent disease होने से बचाता है. This knowledge reduces reliance on medicines and promotes overall well-being. So क्या होता है, इनसे हमारी ओवरऑल वेलबींग होती है, हम पूरी तरीके से ठीक होते हैं, आगे के लिए स्ट्रांग हो जाते. So it is very important to find out about these home remedies, how to use them properly under the guidance of an adult. So it is important, it is important to understand that the properties are very important. हमें बार बार डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाना पड़ेगा छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए. We can learn a lot of things at home only. We can cure ourselves. We can stay strong, not in the current situation, but for the future also. Okay, so learn to share. Stay strong, stay happy, and we are still left with a lot of about this chapter, but that we are going to do in the next video. Till then,